Hi, my name is Katja and I'm a teacher and a Minecraft Global Mentor from Denmark. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the features of the Classroom Mode Companion app for Minecraft Education Edition. The Classroom Mode Companion app is a separate app that you download and open with Minecraft Education Edition. Once you log into the Classroom Mode Companion app with your Office 365 account, you will get a list of games available on your network. You can also add a game by adding a server with an IP address. The IP address of a specific game is found up here when you pause the game. You can also go through the waiting room and copy this / command and paste it into a game and connect that way. So let's get into a game and see what we can do. So here we have a map of this world, and we can see we have 2 students. They appear in the roster over here, and we have a chat area. So say I can't see this white student anywhere. Maybe he or she got lost. This is something that happens once in a while in my classroom. So I can just press the student and move it to wherever I want it. So say I want it outside of this wall, and they will be moved there immediately. I can also right click if I want an assembly of all the players in the game and teleport all to the same place. I can also chat with the students. Even though I'm not in the game, I can still communicate and manage this game. So let's say, hello, 5 minutes left. This will appear on the student screens and they can write back, as you can see here. I would also be able to control the weather or do other / commands, but let's say I wanted the weather to start raining. So I'd see / weather rain. And in this game, it would now be raining. I could then change the weather back to clear. So that's how you can use the chat. Communicate with your students, and you can manage by using / commands. Up here we have the toggle bar, and we have a lot of cool things that we can do to manage the game. The first one is a freeze button, so we can pause this game. Right now, none of the students in this game can do anything. Their screens are frozen, so let's open that up again. The next one is to disable chat for all players. We have a toggle for perfect weather. Sometimes it's distracting when it starts raining and they have to do the / command to stop the rain. So here we can have perfect weather all the time. The next one with the creeper is to allow mobs. This is on by default, but you can disable mobs if you don't want mobs to come out when it gets dark. The next one is to allow destructive items. So you can enable or disable destructive items. The heart is for players to take damage. So you can enable or disable damage to players. This is more relevant with a survival game. This one prohibits world modifications. So if I added this one, the students wouldn't be able to ruin anything in the world. And the last one is PvP, so player versus player. So this is whether or not you want the students to be able to hurt each other. This was a quick guide to the Classroom Mode Companion app and how you can manage several classrooms at once through this Classroom Mode Companion